Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're sitting on some Dogecoin and wondering how to cash it out on Robinhood in 2025, you've come to the right place. This full guide will walk you through the process step by step, so you can sell with confidence and minimize any hassle. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, let's dive in. First off, make sure you have the Robinhood app downloaded on your smartphone or you're accessing it via the website. Once that's ready, log in with your secure credentials to access your account. Security is key, especially in the volatile world of crypto. Now, navigate to your portfolio section. That's usually front and center on the home screen. Here, you'll see a list of all your investments. Scroll through or use the search bar to quickly find Dogecoin. In 2025, Robinhood might have some updated interfaces, so look for any new features that make this even easier. Once you've selected Dogecoin, you'll land on its dedicated page. Tap on the Sell button. It's pretty straightforward. You'll then be prompted to enter the amount you want to sell. You can choose to sell in dollars or by the number of coins, depending on what's most convenient for you. Before you hit confirm, take a moment to review any potential fees. Robinhood has been known to offer commission-free trades, but always double-check for any updates in 2025, like new regulatory fees or limits on crypto transactions. After confirming, your sale will process quickly, usually in seconds. The proceeds will be added to your Robinhood cash balance. If you need the funds in your bank account, go to the transfer section and withdraw them. And there you have it. Selling Dogecoin on Robinhood is simple once you know the steps. Remember, crypto markets can be unpredictable, so stay informed and only sell what you're comfortable with. If this guide helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech and finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.